Hello, welcome back to my channel, the channel where you can learn Indonesian language or bahasa here. But before we are going to continue, I will promote my product here from Indonesia. If you love or if you seeking coffee or if you are coffee lover, you may try this um, as your daily. All right, so here we say gula aren, red sugar. Here red sugar, it's really healthy, and yeah, it's really good for your health. Okay, without further ado, now we are going to continue. When you were at airport, you of course will face the new environment, especially when you were or when you have new adaptations. That means you must adapt with the new environment. Here I already wrote the chart. All right, of course you need this idiom for conversations. Charge in bahasa we say harga. Can you repeat after me? Harga, 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 harga. All right. So it's really easy. And here we go. The idioms or the sentence. How much is the charge? How much? Yeah. You must remember every time when you want to confess, or if you want to replay to the driver or to the shopkeeper, how much in bahasa berapa? Can you repeat after me? Berapa? Berapa? Good. Is the chart here harganya? Nya in Indonesia like belong to the noun. Yeah, that means this is kind of adverb, additional adverb, that the function is pressing the noun. Harganya, nya, that means belong to nouns. The purpose of having it in sentences is to press, yeah, or distress you are what you are saying. And here the third, it's so cheap. Or the second, it's so cheap. So in Indonesia you can say sangat. Okay, can you repeat after me? Sangat, 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 sangat. And murah here, murah, murah, murah. And of course, the opposite of cheap is expensive or costly. In bahasa, you can say mahal, mahal, mahal. I'll repeat again. Harga, harga, berapa, harganya. Yeah, harganya. Yeah, here kind like pressing, yeah, determinations or determining, yeah, determining. That means this the position when it become object, when it comes to object, yeah, harganya. Okay, subject, sorry. And here it's so cheap, so sangat, sangat murah, murah. Expensive, mahal, mahal. I think it's enough. 4 minutes in learning, 4 minutes for learning bahasa. Next time I will explain nya here. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.